Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Anita Humaida Kulsum, and I am delighted to be here to discuss the topic of the mathematical function. Today we'll explore bijective function and into function, application and example problem and solution, and I hope to provide some new insight and useful information along the way. As we go through this presentation, please feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts at any time. Let's keep this session interactive and engaging. With that said, let's dive right in and begin with introduction mathematical function. Next, introduction. In mathematics, particularly in function theory, there are various types of function with specific characteristics. Two of these are bijective function and into function is playing an essential role in mapping between set to understand, but we need to be familiar with the basic concept of a function, which is a relationship between two sets, the domain or starting set and the codomain or target set, where each element in the domain is mapped to an element in the codomain. Next, what do you know about bijective function? A bijective function is a function that satisfies two important properties, injective one-to-one and surjective onto. A function is called injective if its element in the codomain has exactly one corresponding element in the domain. So no two element is in the domain share the same codomain element. A function is called surjective if every element in the codomain has at least one corresponding element in the domain. If a function satisfies both properties in is bijective. Next, what do you know about into function? Into function, on the other hand, an into function is a function that does not satisfy the surjective property. In an into function, not every element in the codomain has a corresponding element in the domain. In other words, there are elements in the codomain that do not have a pair in the domain. Next. Then application of bijective function. Application bijective function are often used in computer science, particularly in cryptography, where unique mapping and reversibility are essential in database management. Bijective function help ensure that data entries are uniquely matched, allowing precise retrieval and updates. Next, application of into function. Application is into function are useful when not all elements in the target set or codomain need to be reached. They are commonly found in modeling scenario where only certain on can are relevant. Next. Next, example of bijective function. This is an image of bijective function where R represents the element of the domain where R number 1, 2, 3 and B represents the element of ABC, the codomain, and every element in the codomain must be paired with actually one element from the codomain. No element is left upright has more than one pairs, and it is combination of injective and surjective function. Next. Uh, Next example of into function. This is image of into function. In the codomain that do not have a corresponding element in the domain, 1 and 2 pair with A, and 3 and 4 with B, and C has no pair in the domain. Next. Example problem and solution. Which function are bijective? Solution is number 1 and 4 are bijective function because each member of the domain has actually one pair in the codomain and vice versa. Next. Next. Nah, anyone can read a conclusion? Yes.
I wanna read,
Adi.
Miss. I. Okay, objective function is a function that satisfies two important properties. Injective, one-to-one, and surjective is onto. And number two, on the other hand, an into function is a function that does not satisfy the surjective property. In an into function, not every element in the codomain has a corresponding element in the domain. Okay, Miss.
Oke, thanks ya Adi.
Okay.
Next. Nah, this is my reference. Jugjeng Siang, the year of publication 2009, discrete mathematics and its application in computer science, Yogyakarta, and publisher Andi Offset. And two, Rinaldi Munir, the year of publication 2010, discrete mathematics in Bandung, and published is Informatika. As we wrap up, let's quickly review the main point that we discussed today: bijective function and into function, application and example. I hope this information has given you a clear understanding of mathematical function and inspired some new idea. Thank you all for your attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.